Today we're going to be talking about my brand new favorite camera, the Insta360 X4. Now, why is this my favorite camera? And before I go into that, I just want to disclose Insta360 did send me this X4 camera. This is not a sponsored video, but they did send this to me to test it out and review it. I'm not an action cam guy. And so when I received this, I didn't really know what to do with it. I've never used a 360 camera before. I have an action cam, a DJI Osmo Action, but I never use it. It just pretty much sits around. What I really love about this camera, and what I don't see talked about enough on YouTube or anywhere else about the 360 cameras, is that it's not just for action, people that are into action, doing crazy things, because for people like me, perhaps other dads, moms that are usually on vacationing trips, family trips, those people who are always taking pictures and videos, but they're never in the pictures and they're never in the videos. But with this gets 360-degree view. And so, as you'll see here shortly, I'm finally in tons of those videos. And so sit back, relax, let's dive into this and why this is not just for those outdoorsy people, but for every family out there. Check it out. Here I'm in me mode, where the selfie stick becomes invisible and the camera on the end of that selfie stick focuses solely on me. Here I'm in 360-degree mode. I'm just holding the camera straight up, and then in the app or on your computer, you can just tell the camera or the video where you want to go. If you want to look to the left, right, up, down, anywhere. And I'm doing the same here. This is in our room when we first got to it, this beautiful suite room. And right now I'm just telling the camera where to focus on in post, or in other words, in the app or on your computer. Now here, I'm just walking around that yellow outline of this helipad, and I told the app to focus on my daughter and just follow her around. I'm not focusing on her at all. And here's some cool features. You could have it go upside down, you could go left, right, anywhere you want, and it's amazing. You can just truly have a 360-degree view and tell the video in the app or on your computer where you want to focus on. And we're back to me mode, where it's focusing just on me and my son here. And again, this is great for vlogging, for just taking really any type of video. You want to capture those moments, capture any dialogue. Me mode's the way to go. Now, I had to include the paper airplane contest. This is also taken in 360-degree mode. And you'll see, there I am again. I'm finally in some more videos. And here, this is actually just a picture, a 360-degree picture, and you can animate it, and you'll see there's different, not templates, but different ways you can animate. It's really, really cool. So there you have it. You saw my videos from my family cruise trip, the 360-degree, the me mode, what I really like, and also that 11K time lapse. But something else important to know is if you're gonna get this camera, you could actually put on these lens guards that come with it. It's really easy. You just put it on and twist, and the lens guards are on. It comes with two for both sides, 1 and 2, and you can just twist them off. And you could use that while you're filming or just for storing it. Hope you enjoyed my first 360-degree video. It was my first time shooting one, first time editing one, and I look forward to using this camera lots more on family trips. So thank you. Comment if you have any questions. Happy to answer any questions, and thanks for watching.